Hello guys, welcome to WebTools. In today's video, I'll be highlighting you quick on how the blockchain flasher crypto works. I generate Flash already from the blockchain flasher to my Trust wallet. You all can see the date we are generating this video. So I generate the coin already. Go back. I generate the coin already to my Trust wallet, as you all can see live on screen. So I'll be showing you guys how I flash my other Trust wallet. So let me open my Google Play Store and search for Trust wallet. You all can see that, and open my Trust wallet via the Play Store. So let me verify it's me. So within being said, you can see I'm not having any balance in this wallet live on screen video. So let me show you how the crypto I generated from the blockchain flasher works. It's actually transferable from one wallet to another. So let me click BEP20 and let me search USDT. Yeah, you all can see the address here. So let me use my other phone live on screen and transfer some couple of USDT to my other phone. You all can see the last transaction we just made recently. So let me click on send and scan the QR code with my other phone. I'm showing you this video live on screen. You can see the address has been. So let me click on. Let me say for this video tutorial, we're sending 2 million Flash USDT. 2 million Flash USDT. Click on next and wait for the payment confirmation to load within my network. Yeah, so you all can see and click on confirm and put my fingerprint to verify the transaction. Wow, you can see transaction is in progress. You can see the transaction history. It's in pending. So let's just wait a while for the USDT to appear in my other phone. Let me on it and refresh let me verify and go back. Let me try to go back. Go back. Let me refresh the page, refresh and wait for the US. Wow, you all can see live on screen the USDT has reflected successful. That's how the blockchain flasher works. All you need to send crypto to one another is just the receiver's wallet address. No setup needed, and this video is strictly for educational purpose only. So this is how the blockchain flasher works. You can see the transaction history live on screen, the date and the time. We just generate it. You can see the date and the time also live on screen without edit. This is a straightforward video, no edit on this video. You can see it live on screen. Thank you for watching till the end.